Sharing experiences on skincare for people who are often exposed to dust and pollution. If you're frequently exposed to smoke and pollution, it can take a toll on your skin. Here's a guide to taking care of your skin when exposed to smoke and pollution. First, make sure to cleanse your skin regularly. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. Avoid using cleansers that are too harsh, as this can strip your skin of its natural oils. Second, make sure to use a moisturizer. Moisturizer helps to keep your skin hydrated and nourished. Look for a moisturizer that's formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and antioxidants to help protect your skin from the effects of smoke and pollution. Third, make sure to use sunscreen. Sunscreen helps to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Look for a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 and make sure to reapply it every 2 hours. Fourth, make sure to use a face mask. Face masks can help to protect your skin from the effects of smoke and pollution. Look for a face mask that's formulated with ingredients like activated charcoal and clay to help absorb impurities and toxins. Finally, make sure to use a serum or oil. Serums and oils can help to nourish and protect your skin. Look for a serum or oil that's formulated with ingredients like vitamin C, peptides, and antioxidants to help protect your skin from the effects of smoke and pollution. By following these tips, you can help keep your skin healthy and protected when exposed to smoke and pollution. Living in a city with high levels of pollution can take a toll on your skin. Exposure to dust, smoke, and other pollutants can lead to clogged pores, dullness, and premature aging. In this guide, we will share some tips and tricks for taking care of your skin when you're regularly exposed to pollution. Tip 1. Cleanse your skin thoroughly. Cleansing your skin is essential for removing dirt, oil, and other impurities that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Use a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser to wash your face twice a day, and be sure to remove all traces of makeup before going to bed. Tip 2. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, which can help to prevent breakouts and improve skin texture. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or chemical exfoliant once or twice a week to keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. Tip 3. Use antioxidant-rich products. Antioxidants are essential for protecting your skin from damage caused by pollution and other environmental stressors. Look for skincare products that contain antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea extract. These ingredients can help to neutralize free radicals and prevent premature aging. Tip 4. Apply sunscreen daily. Sunscreen is essential for protecting your skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation, which can exacerbate the damage caused by pollution. Use a